Bueno, aquí los dejo con la segunda parte del segundo video. Así es de que se los encargo. Ahí mírenlo. Así es de que corre la intro, Abel. Vámonos.
More exciting part of the Riverwalk here. Riverwalk never closes. We're open every day. And we are the most popular tourist attraction in Texas. More people visit the river than go to Six Flags.
Aquí hay más turistas que vienen a visitar el Riverwalk que van a Six Flags.
It's the oldest part of
Viene
the
más
Riverwalk.
gente aquí que a Six Flags.
The newest part is a few miles south of here. I think it's 8 years old. Jazz band on my left, they're here every day. And above the boat is the Crockett Bridge. Obviously, the bridge is named after Davy Crockett. This bridge did survive the flood of 1921. During the tour, not much predates 1921, and that is for obvious reasons. On my right's the old casino building. Now it's a
Estos
shop.
son puros restaurantes, hoteles.
Gotcha music on the tour. Do you work here? No. He looks like a driver.
Así que, compa Roach,
Riverwalk never
compa
closes.
Vitolías,
Open every day.
Marquitos, Watsi, miren, tienen mucho donde venir a visitar aquí en San Antonio.
1,000 people take a boat
Así
ride.
que, si algún día vienen, manden un mensajito, yo aquí los llevo a conocer. Hay muchos lugares aquí que hay que conocer de historia. Mucho turismo hay aquí en San Antonio, día con día. Miren nomás por lado, que lo voltees la cámara. Por todos lados
Yeah,
que
so like I
voltees
was
la
saying,
cámara,
last
hay
year,
restaurantes,
over
miren.
20 people did visit the San Antonio River. I was told that
Miren
over
nomás, qué
100
chulada.
people fall in the river
Así que aquí hay
every
para
year.
hacer muchos videos.
Checking out the ducks. Ducks are
Así es de
brownheads
que
and lady
déjense
ducks.
venir y déjenme saber.
Ducks who greenheads are male ducks. They're mallards. We're almost done, buddy. You're doing good. And on my right's Casa Rio. That's where things started down here. Buildings on my right-hand side. Casa Rio's been owned by the same family since the 1940s. I think they're having their Christmas party, their office party, so they're not at work today. On my left is the Tower of the Americas. On my left is the Torch of Friendship as well. Now, so far, pretty much everything that we've been on behind the boat, it's a natural body of water. Everything in front of the boat is fake. It's made from concrete. If anyone asked you, is the river real? Behind the boat is real. And in front of the boat is a man-made extension. Now, even though this area is man-made, 99% of the river is natural. The river is over 200 miles long, and the river does empty into the Gulf of Mexico, so it's pretty big. 98%
Este
of the
río
river
va a
is
parar al
open to the
Golfo de
public.
México.
This area is very
Así que
tightly
es un río,
controlled.
no crean que está
These are really
aquí
the only boats
estancado,
that
no,
are
es un
allowed
río
downtown.
realmente, un
South
real
of
vivo,
downtown, people kayak,
un río
people
realmente
fish.
vivo.
Recently, I saw an article in the
Solamente yo
newspaper.
me entendí.
Someone caught a 39-pound
Y
catfish
Xochitl,
a few blocks south of here,
la idea es
where the
esa.
river is wider and the
Ahí pongan
current
en
is
los
stronger.
comentarios
People
si me
do
entendieron.
fish in the river. They're looking for tilapia, they're looking for perch.
Ándale, pero es río vivo que va a parar al Golfo de México, este río.
Coming up on my
Este no
right
es el río
is
muerto, el mar muerto.
one of the newer additions to the Riverwalk. We see these two metal flowers. These were unveiled a few months ago. Part of a sculpture garden here on the Riverwalk that's growing. So we got the flowers on my right-hand side. More artwork will be unveiled here on the river, I think at the end of the month. So you get the flowers here. And on the right is the Tower of the Americas. Now the tower was the centerpiece for the World's Fair. In 1968, San Antonio, we hosted the World's Fair. It's called the Hemisphere Exposition. Hemisphere was a big event. It was a big party, and many of the buildings downtown were built around this time. There's the tower.
La Torre de las Américas, ahí arriba hay un restaurante. Un día les voy a tomar un video, les voy a hacer un video de ahí arriba también. Aunque me da muchísimo miedo a las alturas. Una vez me subí ahí, pero me daba mucho miedo asomarme. Pero me voy a subir a hacerles un video ahí, bueno, a ver.
As she looks up into the sky.
Aquí ya es lo último de.
And finally, on my left is
paseo.
St. Anthony. Again, St. Anthony is on my left. He was born in Portugal. He died in Italy. Before the river was named after St. Anthony, like I said, this is the Yanaguana River. Now, if you look to the left, he's holding a baby. He is the patron saint of children, holding a child in his hands. He is the patron saint of guys that
Aquí está una postal, miren, ahí tómale una foto, esto es una postal.
Looked that up recently. Now we are back here at the River Center Mall, and this is the end of today's tour.
So, aquí
I would
fue
like
donde
to thank
empezamos
everyone for coming on the boat. If you
Y
could,
se acabó
please
aquí
remain seated. I have to dock the boat.
el segundo
Finally, my name is Craig. and I
video.
got a sign. My sign says,
Ahorita
"Great
quizás
job,
les voy
well
a hacer otro
done."
de
You
en
can
las
thank
calles.
your boat driver with a tip.
Los
Up
otros
here,
que les he hecho,
I
se los he
tipped
hecho en el carro.
Venmo,
So, pasa uno muy
and Cash
rápido, se los voy a hacer
Obviously,
más
that's
con
something we
calma,
appreciate. Hey guys, thank
para
you very
que
much for
aprecien
coming on
más
the
los
boat. I hope you have a
edificios.
great night.
Así que esperen el tercer video, este va a ser el segundo. Suscríbanse. Y aquí quedó el final del segundo video. Así es de que suscríbanse, denle like, compártanlo y píquenle a la campanita para que YouTube le notifique cada que suba un video. Así es de que aquí los dejo, les mando un fuerte abrazo y Dios me los bendiga.